Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. It's Tony here, your favorite YouTuber. Today I've got a very special durability test between the brand new spanking Nokia 8210 4G released like literally a day ago here in the UK for the ridiculous price of £65, guys. As you can see, it's working over here, but display is quite poor. You tilt it like that and you can't see absolutely nothing. If you're interested in the unboxing and review experience, go ahead and have a look at my other videos, guys. Quick heads up, don't buy this phone, and you're about to see why in this durability test against the 23-year-old Nokia 8210, guys. And if you stay long enough into the video, I might just do a durability test of this Virtu or Vertu or whatever, which part of the world you are, how you pronounce it, this sapphire glass Virtu phone, guys. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that towards the end of the video, but not now. So what are we going to be dealing with over here? I'm going to do a quick scratch test. I was about to use my Stanley knife over here, but these are just plastic phones, guys, so it's not fair. By the way, let me know, how do you call this knife in your particular country? Shout out to my Indian viewers, by the way. I'm gonna use this, a regular kitchen knife over here. Then I'm gonna do a quick burn test with this lighter over here. It's a little bit windy, but nevertheless. Then I might throw in these pliers over here. They're for plumbing, I believe. I'm not quite sure. We're gonna squeeze them a little bit, and then God knows. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a bend test of those two phones. Both of them have batteries inside, so let's just jump straight in, guys. First of all, let's do a little scratch test of this phone. Oh, by the way, when it comes down to scratch test, I might use this one as well. Yeah, why not? Why not? Okay, so fair enough. My phone, my little trusty Nokia over here, 8210, came with a scratched button out of the box, brand spanking new, guys. And when I do, this test, keep in mind that this plastic over here is very brittle. It is 23 years old. This plastic is, I don't know, a week old, most probably, like that. So first of all, let's start with a simple, fingernail test over here. This very soft plastic over here, guys. I'm just gonna do it like that a few times to see what happens. And as you can see, we've got visible marks over here on the phone themselves, itself actually, and it doesn't rub off. So that's definitely not a good sign. Let's try the same thing on this Nokia over here to see what happens. That's most probably dirt, to be honest with you. Let's just put some magic liquid on it. Let's see what happens. Oops, no, we've got some permanent scratches over here. So yeah, from my fingernail, which is not a good sign. So let's proceed with this knife over here. I'm just gonna do a quick cuts over here to see what is going to happen to this back cover. I'm going to proceed over here as well, and as you can see, it's not that bad actually. It's kind of, I mean, of course you can run your fingernail through it, but it's not that bad. Plus it's black, so it's not that bad really. And over here on this Nokia, oh my god, check this out, guys. It cuts like butter. I should be careful not to cut my fingers, to be honest with you, but yeah, I mean, those cuts over here are pretty visible. And by the way, let's do another test over here. Those simple letters, how easy it is to peel them off. It is extremely easy. Check this out, guys. This one came off. I'm just gonna put it back for the and over here the camera lens, I'm just, oh my god, check this out, guys. That easy. And on previous Nokia phones you can just lift it up like that. Let's see if that is the case over here. That's gonna be a little bit more difficult, I guess, but it's pretty badly scratched. And over here, this Nokia logo, let's see if I can take it out somehow. It's a one piece. Yes, it's one metal piece over here, guys. So definitely a little bit harder to take off. Plus you can easily glue it back. There we go, not a problem at all. So now let's proceed to the a little test on the buttons over here. This one is already scratched, so I don't particularly care. Oops, that was my microphone, by the way, hanging over there. Let me just plug it in like that, guys. Okay. Epic fail. I'm not going to edit this. It's raw material. You get what you pay for, which is well, nothing on YouTube, or maybe premium if you're paying. Man, I'm gonna cut my fingers with that knife. But yeah, it's not that bad. As you can see, guys, it's not that bad. Let's try to rub this one off like that. It doesn't actually rub off so easily. Over here, this button is definitely made of something else over here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yes, we've got a few scratches over here, and that plastic is completely different as well. So we've got 3 different plastics over here, guys. I'm really not sure what's going on, but this is by far the most durable one, the white one over here. On this particular Nokia, let's see what's going on over here with the knife. A little bit like that, you know, on the buttons. Let's play around a little bit. Yes, it's definitely visible, guys. And on these little buttons, oh man, these are quite durable, to be honest with you. Yeah, check this out. That's not that bad actually. You can't really tell from a distance. Yeah, but over here on the plastic, let's see what happens on the plastic, guys. On the orange plastic, as you can see, it's peeled off, you know, with time a little bit, but it's not that bad. And you know, making scratches with a knife like that is not that bad, guys. It's kind of okay. And over here on this plastic, we've already tested. I mean, it looks absolutely terrible. Check this out. And why not? You know what? Why not get this baby and give it a whack and see what is going to happen. Just over here on the corner, guys, just like that. It's already scratched, but you know, why not a little bit like that to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I mean, that was already here, so let's just try a little bit over here. Yeah, it definitely peels off, but you know, the paint is quite bad anyways. It's so old. Let's see on the new plastic what is going to happen. Oh my god. Yeah, I still have some white from some yellow from the other Nokia, but yeah, this one, oh guys, this one is not very good. It's not looking very good, to be honest with you. And now let's have a look at the displays. Now on a modern smartphone like that, you've got a glass display, so when you run the knife over here, you don't really you know, worry about any scratches because of the Mohs scale of hardness and this and that. I already scratched it a little bit, but that's just dirt. You just wipe it off like that. There you go, scratch free. Now on these plastic phones over here, you've got, well, plastic displays, so when you try to scratch them, oh my god, check this out, guys. I'm just gonna leave it on the floor over here and just do it like that. You can hear the sound properly. Man, that's some tough plastic that they've used over here. Check this out. This display is mostly fine. It's not that bad. I'm actually surprised, guys. And let's see on this display over here. Oh my god, oh my god, check this out, guys. Straight up, what is that? I mean, with exactly the same force. Check this out. With exactly the same force, I'm gonna hold both phones. I'm going to do like that, and I'm going to do like that. Check this out. Actually, I'm pressing more over here on this one than on this one over here. Ah, and you can see the difference. And now the bonus round, of course, the virtual phone over here. That's sapphire glass, guys. So this little knife over here is not going to do any damage, hopefully. Check this out. I'm scratching it as hard as I can, and I can see actually my actual knife scratching rather than the screen itself. Let's have a look. Some very small marks over here, guys, but that's gonna clean off. That's just dirty over here. But yeah, that's the sapphire glass for you. I'm gonna leave the virtu on the side. Could be fake, who knows. But yeah, apart from that, this won't turn off for whatever reason. Let me power it on. This Nokia still works, of course. Oh my god, the display looks absolutely terrible like that, guys. I'm really feeling quite bad right now. But anyways, let's try these two over here to see what we can do. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit. I'm going to do a particular test, and you'll see what's going on over here. Have a look at the screen over here, guys. I'm just going to adjust the grip over here a little bit like that a few times. I'm adjusting right now. Check this out, guys, just to see. Oh, you can see what's going on the screen, isn't it? Check this out. Oops, this one is off. So yeah, I think I've damaged the screen. I think I've damaged the screen a little bit, but it's back on. I've got some spare batteries if I need to. Come on. I'm just gonna change the battery. Oh, there we go. The screen is back on. Yeah, so when I do it like that on the screen, as you can see, it moves a little bit and it's making, yeah. Okay, it's fine. Let's move on to the next phone. You know what I worry about this phone, guys? I mean, check this out. I'm just going to press it, and as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but I'm literally touching the screen underneath over here. There is no need to use the tool, guys. You can see how much gap there is, and this is definitely a way softer than the other screen, guys. So what else we can do? We can do some you know, burn test over here. This is the lighter I have, and we're gonna count the seconds to see which one melts first. So there we go. Oh my god, it's windy over here. I'm not sure if I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I can see some melt over here after just 7 seconds, guys. It's kind of bubbling as well, and it doesn't look good. So that plastic is quite hard, but it kind of melted. Let's see about that plastic. What can we do? So oh no, let's do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 6 seconds as well, guys. So plastic, yeah, give it about 6 seconds, and there we go. I'm sorry about the autofocus, by the way, but it's extremely bright at the moment and I'm outside. So yeah, so the screen is you know, pretty much destroyed at this point. And now the moment you've been all guys waiting for, let's do the bend test, and this one is going to be interesting. This one, there's absolutely no point of making a bend test on it. I mean, it's metal, so it doesn't I'm pushing like that, it doesn't go anywhere. But these two, oh my god, which one should I do first, this one or this one? Let's do the old one first, guys. Let's do the old one first. No, let's do the new one first. Yes, let's do let's do the new one first. So now I'm going to bend a little bit like that, and let's see what happens. By the way, just to verify, the original battery is here, which adds a little bit of, you know, structure to the phone. It still works. So let's do it the other way. I'm sure it's not gonna bend. Okay, I'm bending as hard as I can. But it doesn't budge on this side, and the screen is still fine, guys, which is good. But on this side, let's try it on this side and see what happens. Man, I'm pushing as hard as I can, but it doesn't move. It definitely definitely bent a little bit, to be honest with you. But man, this phone is still all right. Yes, it definitely passes the durability test, guys. So let's try the old little Nokia. First of all, from which side? I'm really not sure, guys. Let's do this side. Let's do this side and see what happens. Are you ready? I've got the original battery over here, which adds 13.3% of rigidity to the phone. 23-year-old plastic. Let's do it like that. Oh my god, it doesn't move at all, guys. That's some serious stuff over here. Doesn't move. It's switched off, but I've got 2 extra batteries. I'm just gonna try it in a second. But yeah, let's try from this side over here. The screen, as you can see, it unglues itself a little bit, but let's do this side, guys. Man, that's that's hard, but man, I mean, let's put the other battery and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, all right, I'm sure it survives, guys. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, maybe this battery. Okay, insert SIM card. There we go, guys. So yeah, I mean, although I really don't like this new Nokia phone, the only thing in common which has with this one is that it is durable. Definitely there is no paint that is going to peel off like on this one, but to be honest with you, orange and, you know, yellow underneath that is not big of a deal. But over here, guys, this is going to look quite bad after a while. And the screen, you definitely have to sort something out to protect that screen. I'm really not sure if they sell screen protectors or anything like that, but man, I mean, it's a cheap plastic that they've used. That's the main issue over here, guys. But nevertheless, a lesson learned over here. The simpler the phone is, and you know, the battery, if it's inside, it adds some rigidity, so you shouldn't have any issues with these phones. Durability test over here is quite soft, so there's no point making this phone died again. Let me put the other battery to see what's going on. But man, even if I do a drop test, you know what's gonna happen with this Nokia? The battery is gonna fly off, and pretty much that's it. You just assemble it back, power it on, and there we go. We've got the Nokia logo over here. And yeah, did you know, by the way, that Virtue was, I think Nokia bought them at some point, so it is kind of Nokia related. They were using some parts back in the day. But nevertheless, guys, thank you very much for watching this durability test. It was extremely funny for me to do that. Hopefully you enjoyed it as well. And if you want me to do a durability test on some other Nokia phones, just hit me up in the comments section below. Subscribe to Vlogging Project so I can make more videos like that to entertain, well, me and you at the same time, and probably my neighbors. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Vlogging Project here, and I'm out. Adios.